These are the KINGYES Adirondack chairs. These are really great chairs. These are the foldable design here. These are the navy blue. These went together very easily. It tells you in the instructions it takes about 30 minutes. I'm gonna say it took me probably 30 to 40 minutes to build the first one and probably about 20 to 30 minutes to build the second one. The first one was a little bit more challenging just because I wasn't familiar with the instructions, but you'd see here it's got all really nice hardware on here. So basically what, before I picked these up, my research online said make sure you don't tighten any of the nuts or bolts down until you did it all together. I followed those instructions and it worked wonderfully. I put all the screws in and I didn't tighten them up until it was all completely built, and it went together flawlessly. No issues at all. These things weigh probably about 30 pounds. The boxes packed really nicely. Very happy with these. Did some research on the different materials. There's wood, and then this is like an all-weather finish on here. This is going to be great because this way it's not going to absorb anything into the wood. Just got a really nice finish on it. But anyways, pick these up in a set of 2. A lot of people use these for 4 or 6, so I could see building the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th one would take a lot quicker because you're going to be very familiar after the first one. But again, they went together really nice. The hardware was really good. Highly recommend picking these up if you're looking for this design. It's a really nice chair. Very comfortable too.